Hey guys, Peyton Heidi with Off Leash Canine Training of Charlottesville. This little cutie pie is Ty. He is just shy of 6 months old. He's a little German Shepherd puppy. He is our newest 2-week board and train. He's just dropped off for the program. He's a smarty pants. He knows quite a few commands. It's just a matter of kind of controlling the puppy brain and getting him stable. That's a real big thing as to why he's here. He also jumps on people. That needs to be totally eliminated. He gets into the trash. I know that cute face, it does. So let's see where he is at right now with obedience with me. Ty, come! Come! Ty, come! Ty, come here! Oh, that's close. Ty, come here! Come here, baby. Come. Good boy! Ty! Ty, come here! Yeah, he's a good boy! Yeah! Oh, you got the zoomies. You got your zoomies. Can you sit? Ty, sit. Sit. Ty, sit. Sit. Yeah, down. Ty, down. Oh, can we heel? Ty, heel. Heel. Come on, Bubba's. Come on. Oh, boy. Yeah. How are our door manners? How are they? You sit? Ty, sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Okay. Whoa. He's super smart, he's super happy, he's absolutely adorable, he's just all over the place, he's a straight puppy. So check back in a couple seconds for how awesome he is after 2 weeks.
This is my dog Ty. I did puppy classes actually, and then I did the 2-week board and train. Everyone has been nothing at Off Leash but professional from the beginning. I got daily updates, videos, pictures. If there was any issue with Ty at all, a tiny scratch on his leg, they notified me immediately. They took such good care of him. He had so much fun, and I'm just very pleased with everything that they've done here. Thank you.